Hey guys, Video Game Brawlers CPS here. Today, I got an unboxing of the 3D print. It's from Bakugan Battle Brawlers. What's inside here? Alright, let's open up here. See inside here, it's Silent Core Naga. Alright, there we go. This is my first time 3D print. Oh, there we go. The two wings. Oh, so cool. Oh, Naga. It's time for it, yeah. Alright. So here we go. Here. So here is his Silent Core head, two wings, is his body, two hands, two arms, and this one's it body is his missing leg. Oh, okay, let's get up click here. Alright, here, cool, great. Alright, here we go. So here is our these two pieces. Put this together. The Silent Core. We use back the head. Cool. Perfect. Now we use this one. Oh, there. Go. The two head, two arms, and it's missing. Oh, let's put it here. Oh, cool. Wow. This is Silent Core Naga. That's so cool. Wow. These are pieces. Cool. 3D print is a Silent Core Naga. Finally got it. There's missing a magnet and the other two small wing, the mouth, and two horns, and there's two legs here. And then after that, and then again we're painting it. Part 1 today. So this is a Silent Core Naga 3D print. Part 1 from Bakugan Battle Brawlers DS from Bakugan Battle Brawlers. That's cool. That's from Helgi ones. Cool. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Click to watch the Video Game Brawlers unboxing and Bakugan 2 and artist Bakugan here. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel. Click it to the bell. Click it to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok here. Okay guys, thanks for watching everybody. See you next time for the next part of Silent Core Naga Bakugan Battle Brawlers. Silent Core Naga 3D print. Alright, bye and Bakugan Brawl. And I'm getting some new 3D prints at more great. Yes.